Claudia, and I wanted to share something that I'm doing with her because I love her so much and she has back pain, okay? So if you're somebody who has back pain, whether it be your lower back or your upper back, it might be because of how you're sitting. So we're both two little short girls, okay? And we have short girl problems. So I'm going to share this because tall people have different kind of problems, but it doesn't mean that we can't fix you. We just got to think about different ways of doing it. So Claudia sits all day. You know, she answers your phone calls. So if you're calling, you're like, oh, I have this problem, I have that problem. Claudia is the first person you're going to talk to, and she has so much like empathy and caring. She's like almost like absorbing all of your own pain. So we're going to make sure that we fix her. So she sits in this chair. So we got her an ergonomic chair. Go ahead and have a seat. And I just kind of want to show you and pinpoint a couple of things to you because she came with back pain, okay? She didn't get that back pain here. I'm just gonna say that right now. But we want to make sure that we fix her just like we fix everyone else. And so she's been sitting and she's been doing a lot of stuff on the computer, answering your calls, all this stuff. And we wanted to make sure we got this nice foam, not foam roller, it's a lumbar back support, right? So we got it for her because we wanted to make sure that she felt supported while she was sitting. And one of the things that I wanted to do, because it's her lower back, right? So I wanted to make sure that it was slid all the way down to make sure that it's supporting her lower back. Now, people need different supports in different places. You just got to find out where you need it. So I wanted her to sit all the way back. Like, so normally how do you sit? So we wanted to do it so it like kind of was shoved back here to give her the most support because that's where she was feeling it. But she was like, man, long I still have back pain, my back is killing me, nothing is helping. And I said, let me take a look at your chair and how you're sitting. Again, short girl problems. I know this because I'm a short girl and I have this problem all the time. Look at her angle. Right? So anytime we're sitting, we want to make sure that, yeah, our feet are flat on the floor, but because she's short, her knees fall way, way below her hip, right? Now it's an ergonomic chair and we could lower her chair. So lower your chair a little bit. Good. So now she's a little bit better. Her feet are planted a little bit more securely. The problem is this table it's a little high. So then she's sitting and then she's like this and then she's going to tell me her shoulders hurt, right? One problem at a time, people, one problem at a time. So the thing that I wanted to, you know, after looking at it, so go ahead and put your height up to where you're comfortable for your arms, right? This table was custom built by a friend of mine, and it is the height that I built for myself.
Makes sense.
So I'm just like a smidge taller than her, but just a smidge. But you know, when we're short, we want all the smidges to count.
Yes.
So looking, if you have back problem, I just want to show that when your knees are really, really low behind your hip, it can cause back problem. The same as if you're really tall and your knees come way above your hip and you're sitting like that too long, that can cause all sorts of different problems. So we want to weigh out not hurting her arms but fixing her back. And so I have these lights. Please somebody help me. I bought these beautiful lights at IKEA. You know how IKEA just sells you shit like one part at a time? So I didn't realize I needed to get lights that were separate. I thought they were all included. This happened when IKEA first came out. I didn't know. So anyway, this stupid box is sitting in my office because I haven't gone back to IKEA to buy the one specific light bulb that fits into this thing. Yeah, you were wondering what like look, it's so beautiful design, like these little red thingamabobs. I was gonna hang it up here. Anyway, this is the best height. So I went and I put it right underneath, and look at that. So if you have a 90, 90, 90, right? You're gonna support the back so much better. And then you could, you know, sit back in your chair. You can have your lumbar support, and she could answer your calls at any time you have questions, right? And woohoo, we can get rid of the back pain. And then we're gonna make her exercise a little bit. We gotta get a little stronger.